Namaste children, welcome to Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya. I am Revati, your mathematics teacher. Here I am going to start the session with the moral value. Today's moral value is about practice. Practice makes a man perfect is a proverb which tells us the importance of continuous practice in any subject to learn anything. We have to practice in the particular field on regular basis in which we want to succeed. Nobody can perform well in his field if he does not practice on a regular basis. If we are not practicing in our field, we cannot master in it. We need continuous practice so we can learn anything we want in the world. Practice is the best habit. So, children, you should develop it from your childhood. Then you will achieve your success in your life. Children, in the previous session, we have learnt about what are the basic concepts of multiplication and what are the different properties of multiplication and how to multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on, and multiplying a number by another number which ends in 9. Okay, here now in this session we are going to solve problems based on multiplication. To find the product of any numbers, we should know the multiplication tables very well. Children, it is necessary that you should learn the table from 2 to 10. If you know the tables from 2 to 10, then you can find the product of any large numbers easily. Okay. Children, here I am going to explain how to write the 11th table easily. 11th table, 12th table and so on. Okay, the same method you are going to apply to write the table from 11 to 20. Okay, and children, now you know the 11th table very well. It is very easiest table. Anyway, this concept is given in your book, so I am going to explain it. Okay, 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. Okay, now we are going to multiply 1 by 11, that is 1 times 11. 1 times 11 is equal to, multiply the number 1 by 10 and multiply the number by again 1. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, 1 into 10 is 10. 1 into 1 is 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay, now 2 times 11. 2 times 11 means multiply the number 2 by 10. Then your answer will be 20. Now multiply the number 2 by 1. Your answer is 2 ones are 2. So 20 plus 2 is 22. Now 3 11s are. Multiply 3 by 10. 3 10s are 30. Now multiply 3 by 1. 3 ones are 3. 30 plus 3 is 33. Now 4 11s are. 4 into 10 plus 4 into 1. 4 10s are 40. 4 ones are 4. So 40 plus 4 is 44. Now again 5 times 11 is equal to 5 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Okay. So now 5 tens are 50 plus 5 ones are 5. So 50 plus 5 is 55. Similarly 6 11s are. 6 times 11 is equal to 6 into 10 plus 6 into 1. That is 6 tens are 60 plus 6 ones are 6. So 60 plus 6 is 66. Now 7 times 11, that can be written as 7 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So that 70 plus 7 is equal to 77. Now 8 into 11 is equal to 8 times 10 plus 8 times 1. That is 80 plus 8 is equal to 88. Again 9 into 11 is 9 times 10 plus 9 times 1. That is 90 plus 9 is 99. Now 10 into 11, this means 10 times 10 plus 10 times 1. That is 10 into 10, 100 plus 10 into 1, 10. So that 110. Do you understand the concept, children? The same method we can apply to write the table of 12. Okay, let us see it now. Children, here I have written the table of 12 by using the same method. First write the expanded form of 12, that is 10 plus 2. Then multiply the number by 10 and the same number multiply by 2 and then add the products, then you will get the final answer. Okay, understand the concept, then you can easily write the remaining tables by yourself. Okay children, here is another way of writing the tables of 2-digit number. Okay, this method is applicable for all the 2-digit number. You can write any table of 2-digit number by using this method. Okay, let us write the table 17. For that, you look at the number 17. We have 1 in 10's place, 7 in 1's place. Okay, see children, you know the one table, no? Write the one table one by one, the product of the one table, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then write the product of 7 table one by one. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Straight to one other. Okay, and then now let us write the product of 1 and 17. How to write? Join the numbers 1 and 7. That is 17. So 1 into 17 is 17. Next 2 into 17. For that, write now 2 plus 1. Write 2 plus 1 is 3 and the last number 4 as it is. Okay, 34. Now 3 and 21. Consider 3 and 21 to find the product of 3 times 17. So let us add 3 plus 2, the answer is 5. So write 5 in 10's place, write the number 1 in the 1's place. So the product of 3 times 17 is 51. Now consider 4 and 28 to find the product of 4 times 17. Let us add 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, right, in the 10's place. And the number which is in the 1's place, that is 8. You write here again in the 1's place. So 4 times 17 is 68. Similarly, if you proceed, you can get the table of 17. Please go through it once again and then you try for another table, any other table in the same method. Okay, can you try this children to write the 50th table, 54th table, 28th table and so on. You try for any table, it is applicable. This method is applicable for 2-digit numbers. Okay. Now let us multiply the numbers by using grid method. Consider 29 into 8. To find the product by using grid method, first let us write the expanded form of 29. It can be written as 20 plus 9. Like this, you draw a box like this children. Okay. Write the numbers like this. See here, multiplicand on the top and multiplier on the side. Okay, represent like this and then multiply the number 8 with 20. So 20 into 8 is 160. And now multiply the number 8 with 9. 8 9s are 72. The products we have got here, no, we have to add both the products to get the final answer. Okay, 160 plus 72 is 232. Here I have done. Look at this. Write the products 160 and 72 in a vertical way and then add it. Then you will get the product of 29 into 8 is 232. Here is your next example children. The same method we are going to use. Okay, but let us consider a 3-digit number 264. We are going to multiply this number by a 1-digit number 7. Okay, let us write the expanded form of 264. It can be written as 200 plus 60 plus 4 and write the multiplicand on the top and multiplier on the side. Now let us multiply. 200 into 7 is 1400, 60 into 7 is 420 and 4 into 7 is 28. Add all these products in a vertical column and then you will get the final product of 264 into 7 is equal to 1848. Now can you remember this, children? You have learnt in the 3rd standard itself in the name of box multiplication method. Okay, can you remember the concept now? Here the name only changed. This is the grid multiplication. In 3rd standard you have learnt as a box multiplication. Do you remember it now? Yes, I think so. Do you have any doubt in these 2 examples, children? Please go through it once again. You will get a clear idea in these 2 examples. Now, in the 3rd example, we are going to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number by using grid multiplication. Let us find the product of 31 and 14. Okay, both the numbers are 2-digit number, so we must write the expanded form of both the numbers. For the multiplicand 31, we can write 30 plus 1. And for the multiplier 14, we can write 10 plus 4. As usual, you have to mention the multiplicand on the top of the box and then multiplier on the side of the box. Okay, here I have drawn the box. Look at the box and draw like this same. Okay, and now let us multiply 10 into 30. See the numbers 1 and 3. Multiply 1 into 3. That is, your answer is 3. And here we have 2 zeros. So insert these 2 zeros after the number 3. That is, your answer is 300. 10 into 30 is 300. Next, 10 into 1 is 10. Similarly, we have to multiply now 4 with 30. That is, 30 into 4 is equal to 3 4s are 12. Now include the 0 here. So your answer is 120. Next, 4 into 1 is 4. We have to add all the 4 products in a vertical column method. While writing for addition, you have to write the digits in the proper places. Then only you will get the correct answer. Don't confuse it. Okay, write according to the order of the places. Okay, and then here is your product of 31 into 14 is 434. Next example is, we are going to multiply a 3-digit number by 2-digit number using the grid multiplication. Okay, let us consider 524 into 52. 524 is the 3-digit number. Write the expanded form 500 plus 20 plus 4. And here the multiplier is 52. It is a 2-digit number. So we have to write the expanded form of 52 is 50 plus 2. Write the multiplicand above the box. Draw the boxes. Right above the boxes, you have to write the multiplicand. On the side, you have to mention the multiplier. Okay, let us multiply now. 500 into 50. 5 5s are 25. Totally we have 3 zeros. Insert the 3 zeros at the end of the number. So the product is 25,000. Similarly, 20 into 50. 2 5s are 10. Number of zeros are 2. Insert 2 zeros at the end. So the answer is 1000. Next, 4 into 50. 4 5s are 20. Now we have 1 0 in the question. Insert that 0 in the answer also. So 4 into 50 is 200. Similarly, 2 into 500. 2 5s are 10. We have 2 zeros. Insert the zeros now. So the product is 1000. Now 20 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Insert 1 0 in the answer part. So 40 is the answer. Next, 4 2s are 8. Now we have 6 different products. We have to add up all the 6 products in a vertical form. Arrange them in the proper places. Then you will add it. You will get the answer 27,248. This is the product of the number 524 and 52. Now it shows that the product of 524 and 52 is the sum of 25,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000 again plus 200 plus 40 plus 8. Add them in a vertical column, then you will get the final answer 27,248. This is the product of 524 and 52. See children, this type of this method takes much time to solve. We have another unusual method of multiplication to save the time. Now multiplication of a 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Let us find the product of 74 into 8. Okay, so write the numbers in their proper places. Mention the places ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. Okay, always mention the place. If the number is 2 digit, you just mention 3 places. Sometimes you may mention 4 places also. Okay, here I have taken only 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. Mention the number 74 in the proper place, and also the multiplier 8 in the proper place. 8 is a 1 digit number, so write it in the ones place. Okay, don't forget to put the multiplication sign, it is into sign. Okay, now let us always start from ones place value. This is the first step. Children, you have to always start from ones place value. In ones place, the multiplier is 8. We have to multiply with the ones place of the number 74. That is 4 8s are 32. Write the number 2 here and take the number 3 as the remainder to the next place. Okay. Now multiply the number 8 and 7. The product of 8 and 7 is 56. Already we have 3 as a remainder in tens place. No. Now add the 3 with 56. 56 after 57, 58, 59. So write the number 9 in the tens place in the product part. Now carry over the 5 as a remainder in the hundreds place. In the hundreds place we don't have numbers. So write the remainder number 5 in the hundreds place of the product column. So the product is 592. Next example is multiplication of a 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, now only we learnt that the multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. The same method we are going to apply here. The multiplicand is a 3-digit number, multiplier is a 1-digit number. Okay, since we have 3 places in the multiplicand, you just mention one more place also. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, let us represent the number 698 in the proper places, and also represent the multiplier 3 in its proper place, and then don't forget to mention the into sign. Okay, we have to always start from ones place value. Okay, let us multiply 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. So write the ones place value 4 in the ones place and take the remainder 2 to the tens place. Okay, now let us multiply 3 into 9. 3 9s are 27. Already we have 2 as a remainder, no? So add it with this. 27 plus 2 is 29. Now after adding the remainder, you please cut off to avoid the confusion. Okay, now also again the 2 is remainder which will be carried to the hundreds place. Now 3 6 are 18. For 18, if you add 2 with this, you will get 20. 20. Here ones place value is 0. Mention in the hundreds place and take 2's to the thousands place. We don't have the digit in thousands place to multiply with 3. So that we'll write the remainder 2 in the product of the thousands place. So that the product of 698 into 3 is 2094. Do you understand this, children? Next example, we are going to multiply a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay. Now let us find the product of 7024 by 4. Okay, 7024 into 4. Here 7024 is a 4-digit number. So before mentioning this number, you just take one more place extra. Okay. Now represent the number 7024 in its proper place. It is your multiplicand. The multiplier is here 4. We are going to multiply the whole number 7024 by 4 table. Okay, do you all remember the 4 table, children? Tell me now what is 4 4s are. Since we have to start from ones place value, let us multiply the number 4 and 4. What is 4 4s are? 4 4s are 16. We cannot write the number 16 as it is here. Write only the number 6 in the ones place and take 1 as a reminder to the tens place. Now the tens place we have 2. If you multiply 2 and 4, 2 4s are 8. Add the remainder 1 with this. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now we have 0 in 100 place. So 4 into 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Now in thousands place we have 7. 7 fours are, what is your answer? 7 fours are 28. So write the number 8 in the thousands place. 2 will be the remainder to the 10,000 place. Since we have no digit in the 10,000 place, write this remainder 2 as a product in the answer part. Therefore, the product of 7024 and 4 is 28,096. Here now we are going to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay, let us consider 65 and 47. We are going to find the product of 65 and 47. Here we have 2-digit number. At least you take 1 or 2 places more than the given number. Okay, here 2-digit number means we used to take till 10th place. Let us consider 2 more places also. Since look at the number 65 also 2-digit and 47 also 2-digit. You may get the product in 4-digit, either 4-digit or 3-digit. That's why we are considering till thousands place. Okay. Now let us represent the numbers 65 and 47 in their respective places. Let us consider the ones place number of the multiplier 7, and we have to multiply with all the digits of the multiplicand. Okay, here first multiply with ones place. So 7 5s are 35. Write 5 in the answer part. Take 3 as the remainder to the tens place. Now multiply with 6. 7 6 are 42. So add the remainder with this. You will get 45. So write the number 5 in the tens place and take 4 to the hundreds place as a remainder. Since we have no digits in the hundreds place, bring down the remainder in the answer part as it is. Okay. Now let us start multiplying with the tens place number of the multiplier. Okay, that is 4. 4 into 5, it is 20. When you multiply with the tens place number, we have to start the answer from the tens place only, not from the ones place. To avoid the confusion, you may include 0 in the ones place when you multiply with the tens place number of the multiplier. Okay, now 4 5s are 20. Remainder 2. 4 6 are 24 plus 2 is 26. Write here 6. 2 carry over to the thousands place as a remainder. As we have no digits, write down the remainder as it is. After this, you have to sum up the products. Then you will get the final answer 3055. Try this in your home, children. Next, we are going to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Let us find the product of 762 and 43. See totally how many digits, children? Here 3 digit, another one is 2 digit. 3 plus 2 is 5 digits. So we may get the product also a 5-digit number. Okay, so that just refer to write the places. Let us consider the 5 places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, mention the given number in their respective places. Even the multiplier also you write here, multiplicand also. Okay, after writing this, in the step 1 we have to start multiply with the ones place. Okay, of the multiplier. Here 3 is in the ones place of the multiplier. Let us multiply with all the digits in the multiplicand. Now 3 2s are 6. Write as it is. Next 3 6 are 18. For that, write 8 in the tens place and take 1 as a reminder to the hundreds place. Now we have the digits in hundred place, that is 7. So 7 3s are 21. Add the remainder 1 with this. So your answer will be 22. Write here 2 and take 2 as the remainder to the thousands place. As we have no digits in the thousands place, write the remainder, bring it down to the answer part as it is. Once you added the remainder, you please cut off to avoid the confusion. Okay. Next, we are going to multiply the tens place digit of the multiplier with the all the digits of the multiplicand. Now 4 2s are 8. Write it in the tens place as it is the tens place digit. Okay. Now 4 6 are 24. Write in the next place, that is hundreds place, and take 2 as the remainder. And now 4 7s are 28. Add the remainder 2 with this, then you will get 30. For that, write 0 here in the thousands place and take 3 as the remainder to the 10,000s place. As we have no digits in the 10,000 place, bring down the remainder as it is. Then sum up all the products according to their proper places. Then you will find the product of 762 into 43, that is 32,766. Next, we are going to multiply a 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay, let us find the product of 2738 multiplied by 53. Total number of digits are 4-digit number plus 2-digit number. Totally we have 6 digits. So let us consider the 6 places in the answer part. So that mention the 6 places and represent the given number in their respective places. Here the ones place number in the multiplier is 3. So we have to take the number 3 and multiply with the all the digits of the multiplicand 2738. So let us multiply now. 8 3s are 24. Write 4 in the ones place. Take 2 as a reminder to the tens place. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Write 1 in the tens place and take 1 to as a carryover, that is the remainder, to the hundreds place. Now 3 7s are 21 plus 1 is the remainder. Next, the answer is 22. Write 2 here and take again the 2 as the remainder to the thousands place. Now 3 2s are 6. Add 2 with this. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now let us start from tens place. 5 8s are 40. Now 4 consider as a remainder and we have to take it to the hundreds place. Since we are multiplying with the tens place, we have to start writing from the tens place. Now the remainder should be taken to the hundreds place. Now 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 1 remainder. Now 5 7s are 35. Add the 1. Now 36. Write here 6 and 3 is the remainder now. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Write here 3 in the 10,000 place. Now 1 is the remainder. Write the digit 1 in the lakhs place. After adding it, you will get the answer 1,45,114. Do you understand the concept, children? In the step 1, you have to multiply with the ones place value, and in the step 2, you have to multiply with the tens place value. Finally, you have to add up to find the final product of the given sum. Here is another example. Here we are going to multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. Let us consider 246 and let us multiply it by 135. Totally we have 6 places. Sometimes we can get 6 places, 6-digit number also as the product, or 5-digit also. So you can mention till lakhs place also. You just check it. If you want, you just keep it, otherwise you just remove it. Okay, here it may be till 5-digit number. Here I have chosen the 5 places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay, let us represent the multiplicand 246 and multiplier 135. In the multiplier 135, ones place number is 5. Let us multiply with the all the digits of the multiplicand. So 5 into 6 is 5 6 are 30. Write 0 and 3 as the remainder. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Write 3 and now 2 as the remainder in hundreds place. Now 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So write 2 in the hundred place, 1 as the remainder to the thousands place. We don't have digits in the thousands place to multiply with 5. So bring down the remainder as it is. Now Let us multiply with the tens place. 3 6 are 18. Remainder 1. Okay. Next 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Write 3 here and take 1 as a remainder. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Write down in the thousands place. When you multiply with the tens place digit, you have to place 0 in the ones place, otherwise you leave it as blank. Okay. Now let us multiply with the hundreds place. The third digit of the multiplier is hundreds place, that is 1. Now we have to multiply with all the digits of the multiplicand. Okay. While writing the product, you have to start from the hundreds place. Now you have to leave the 2 places, or else you fill it with the zeros. That is ones and tens place, you can fill it as a 0 or you can leave it as blank. Okay. Now 1 into 4 6 is 6. 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 2 is 2. Now we have to add up all these products one by one according to the proper places. Start from ones place. Now you will find the product 33,210 as your product of 246 into 135. See children, you practice so many problems one by one. You understand the basic concept means it will be easy to you. Now we are going to solve the word problems based on multiplication. Here is your first question. I am reading the question, listen carefully. Abhijit has a coconut farm in which 246 trees are planted in a row, and there are 213 such rows in the farm. How many coconut trees are there in the farm? See children, number of coconut trees in one row, it is 246. Okay. Now we have to find the number of coconut trees in 213 rows. See children, they have given the value of one row, the number of trees in one row. Okay, we have to find the number of trees in many rows, that is 213 rows. 1 to many. The given value is 1 and we have to find the value for many, so that we have to multiply. Okay, this is the way you have to identify whether it is multiplication or division. 1 to many, it is multiplication. Okay. So to find the number of coconut trees in 213 rows, you have to multiply the number 246 by 213. As we have discussed earlier, let us write the digits in the column method according to the places. First step, you multiply with the ones place, and in the second step you multiply with the tens place, and in the third place you multiply with the hundreds place of the multiplier. You have to multiply all the digits in the multiplicand with all the digits in the multiplier. After that, add all the products according to the places. Then you will get the final answer, that is 52,398 is your product. That is the number of coconut trees in the farm in 213 rows, it is 52,398. Please check the calculation by doing yourself. Practice and then whether you are getting the same answer or not, check it. Okay. This is the way we have to apply the multiplication to solve the word problems. Okay. Next, second example is question I am reading now. Listen. Every day about 250 children visit a water park. Find out how many children visited the water park in the month of April. One day 250 children visited the water park. Okay. We have to find the number of children visited the water park in the month of April. Children, do you know how many days are there in the month of April? The number of days in the month of April is 30. Okay. So, let us find the answer by multiplying the number 250 by 30. Okay. Number of children visited the park in a day is 250. Number of days in the month of April is 30. If we multiply this, then we will get the number of children visited the water park in the month of April. Okay, here I have done the calculation. 250 multiplied by 30. First multiply with the ones place value. Since ones place is 0, all the places will be 0. The product will be 0. Now the tens place number is 3. If you multiply, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, remainder 1, write the 5 in the particular place. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Add it, then you will get the answer 7500. Therefore, the number of children visited the water park in the month of April is 7500. This is the way we have to apply the concept of multiplication to solve the word problems. First, understand the question. That is, here it is given for 1 day, we have to calculate for 30 days. In the previous sum also it is given for 1 day, 1 row, and we have calculated for 213 rows. So keep in mind, 1 to many it is multiplication. Okay. Next we are going to estimate the product to the nearest 10 and 100. Here I have given the example to find the estimated product to the nearest 100. Okay. Question number 1. Estimate the product of 665 and 211 by rounding off to the nearest 100. Here the number 665. If you round off this number to the nearest 100 means that is 700. 211 rounded off to the nearest 100 is, that is 200. To find the estimated product, we have to multiply the number 700 by 200. See, just multiply the numbers 7 and 2. 7 2s are 14. Total number of zeros are 4. Include the 4 zeros at the end of the number. Therefore, the estimated product is 1,40,000. Now, we are going to find the estimated product to the nearest 10. Okay. Let us consider the example. Estimate the total number of books by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10. If there are 143 rows with 109 books in each row. See children, in one row there are 109 books. Total number of rows are 143. We have to round off these numbers to the nearest 10 and we have to find the estimated product. Okay. Do you understand the question children? Yes. Number of books in a row is 109. If you round off this number to the nearest 10 is, the answer will be 110. Okay. Number of rows, total number of rows are 143. If you round off 143 to the nearest 10 is, that is 140. Tell me now, we have to find the estimated number of books. For that, we have to multiply the number 110 and 140. Okay. Let us consider only the numbers alone without 0, 14 and 11. Okay. Write them in the column, multiply it. Okay. Then you will get the answer 154. Totally we have 2 zeros in the number 140 and 110. In 140 we have 1 0 and 110 we have another 0. So add these 2 zeros at the end of the number. Then your answer is 15,400 is the estimated number of books. Now the time for recapitulation children. Today we have discussed how to do the multiplication problem by using the grid method, by using the tables and usual method of multiplication, and how to find the estimated product to the nearest 10 and 100 for the given number. Okay, all of you go through it. Here I have given the assignment. All of you practice these sums in your homework note. Then only you will get clarity for doing the multiplication sums. Okay, practice more sums, then you will be good in multiplication sums. Okay children, thank you children. We will meet in the next session. Okay, do the homework in the homework note. Thank you children.